Prince Harry is in court today for his court case against the Daily Mail at the High Court today. And my family, the first request the Daily Mail is asking the court, is asking the judge to grant them, is this. We want privacy. We want privacy. We want privacy. We want privacy. We, the Daily Mail, we want privacy. We, the Daily Mail, we want privacy. 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 That is what the Daily Mail has asked for in court. Oh, the irony. The irony. The irony, my family. I mean, just kindly hear this, please. Now, court proceedings began with a bid by Daily Mail's lawyers to have certain reporting restrictions imposed in this case. My family, the level of irony, the level of hypocrisy from Daily Mail. I mean, Daily Mail, right now in court, we want privacy. We want privacy. We want privacy. We ask for privacy now that they are the ones being sued by Prince Harry, Elton John, SADIE Frost, David FURNISH, alleging a number of accusations against the Daily Mail that could sink the Daily Mail if those allegations are proven. And the most sensitive one being phone hacking. My family, because phone hacking is exactly what brought down Rupert Murdoch's News of the World. My family, could this case be what brings down Daily Mail's Lord Jonathan Rothmere? My family will have to wait and see. Now, Prince Harry sat towards the back of the courtroom, occasionally taking notes in a small black notebook as legal arguments were made by Daily Mail's lawyer, Catherine Evans. Actress SADIE Frost, who is also bringing a claim against the publisher, sat 2 seats away from Prince Harry. My family, it is on. It is on. It is on. And Harry's present today. Even someone called Peter Ant, someone who worked for the BBC, said this today. Harry's presence forces the BBC and other broadcasters to give this legal action greater prominence on day one than they may have planned to. And no one of my family, we have seen Prince Harry arriving at the High Court. Once again, allow me to please kindly just play for you Harry arriving at the High Court, my family. And this is what the Daily Mail has been dreading. My family, them being held to account. This is a nightmare for the Daily Mail. Harry. That's Harry, my family, arriving at the High Court in what has even surprised the Carnival of Soccer experts in the UK. They never ever expected or imagined that Harry would attend the court case, the first day of hearing. They never ever expected for this to happen. And right now, I can still confirm as of now that Daily Mail has not talked about this court case in its website, not one mention. That is the Daily Mail, my family, who is always obsessed with anything about Harry and Meghan, any story about Harry and Meghan. They'll write anything about Harry and Meghan to get clicks. But today, I can confirm the Daily Mail is radio silent today. No article about this court case. No article one bit about this court case. They are radio silent about this case because of the number of serious allegations that the Daily Mail has been accused of by Prince Harry, Elton John, SADIE Frost, and David FURNISH, my family. And my family, I can see that even the likes of Piers Morgan right now are angry and upset that Harry has shown up in court. I mean, here's what Piers Morgan said on Twitter. Breaking. Prince Harry, who spent the past few years ruthlessly invading the privacy of his family, friends, and acquaintances for huge financial gain, has turned up at court in London to complain about newspapers invading his privacy. That's what Piers Morgan is saying. But my family, first of all, what is it really that Harry has accused this carnival of so-called experts of, really, my family? Piers Morgan is a liar who is always lying and very much bitter. And my family, this is a court case alleging phone hacking, a serious offense. And my family, don't forget, Piers Morgan is upset because in May, Prince Harry is taking a tabloid that Piers Morgan worked for, the Daily Mirror, the Mirror News Group, to court. Harry already has a trial date. My family, Harry already has a trial date in May. And my family, Piers Morgan was the editor of the Daily Mirror at the time, where serious offenses were alleged to have been committed during his time as editor of the Daily Mirror. And no wonder Piers Morgan is throwing a tantrum over Harry making an appearance today at the High Court in phone tapping case against the Daily Mail publisher. Make no mistake, this is a very huge case, my family. I mean, just hear the accusations of why is Harry truly suing the Daily Mail publishers. This is not just about privacy, my family. Harry and the other claimants are suing the publishers of the Daily Mail over a series of allegations of unlawful activity that they claim the paper has done to them. They allege that the Daily Mail hired private investigators to put secret listening devices in their homes and cars and impersonated individuals to gain access to confidential medical information about them. Other allegations include that people were paid to listen in on live telephone calls and record them. That's a very serious offense. Bank accounts and other financial information were accessed through illegal means and manipulation. And the police officers were paid for private information. My family. And So Piers Morgan is bitter, very bitter. This case is not just about privacy. And guess what? The ones who are right now asking the court for privacy are none other than the Daily Mail, who are right now in court saying, we want privacy. We want privacy. We want privacy. We want privacy. That's the first thing the Daily Mail lawyers have asked in court for reporting restrictions on this case. That Harry, Elton John, David FURNISH has filed against them. Just imagine if Harry and Meghan were in court right now. Let's say in a court case against Daily Mail. And Harry had asked the court for reporting restrictions. My family, just imagine the tantrum that would have been pulled by the carnival of so-called experts, by the UK media. Just imagine for just 1 second that tantrum, my family. Because they always want to report about Harry and Meghan. But this time, they're like, we don't want this case, the public, to see some elements of this court case. Daily Mail does not want the public to publicly see the evidence that Harry has on them alleging phone hacking. Daily Mail does not want that. What happened to public interest? Because whenever they talk about Harry and Meghan, they only say that because Harry and Meghan are members of the royal family, the public wants to know about them. The public has a right to know about them. That's what Daily Mail always say. Public interest, time and time again. Whenever an action is brought up by Prince Harry or Meghan against the Daily Mail. But now, guess what? Daily Mail itself is asking for reporting restrictions to be imposed in this case because they don't want the public to be told of their illegal conduct, of their unethical conduct, illegal acquisition of information by tapping phones, by hacking phones, by bugging people in their cars, their homes. My family, just to hear what is being said. Imagine Harry and Meghan having dinner in California or even from a cottage, and then Daily Mail has hired private investigators to put bugs there where Harry and Meghan are having dinner as a family, talking about family matters. My family, that is illegal. That is wrong. And my family, just as what has been said, if you are not careful, the media will have you hating the ones being oppressed and loving the ones doing the oppressing. If you are not careful, you'll have the media telling you, oh, how dare Harry sue because of privacy, when the case is much, much bigger than privacy. My family, that's something the media won't tell you. That's something Piers Morgan does not even want to mention in his tweet. Phone hacking, a subject that hits so close to home for Piers Morgan. It hits so close to home because he himself, while at the Daily Mirror, as the editor of the Daily Mirror, my family, during his time there, significant illegal acquiring of information happened during his time as the editor of the Mirror. My family, that's what happened at that time. But Piers Morgan doesn't want you to remind him of that. He doesn't want you to even talk about that. And he wants people to be angry at Prince Harry for daring to pursue justice in court. My family, why not let the court do its job? Why? Why are you trying to impede the court from doing its job? Let the court do its job. Let the court work. Let the court rule. Let the court make its own judgment. But Piers Morgan is scorned and angry because he even knows his day is coming. His day is in May. He knows by now that Harry is willing to testify in court. He knows that by now. And Piers Morgan is bitter, grumpy, angry because he does not want to go to jail, even though he knows deep inside of him he deserves to be in jail. People like Piers Morgan must be locked up and the key thrown away. The place that they belong is in a prison cell. My family, I just have to be frank with all of you. That's what Piers Morgan knows he belongs. He knows it. And my family, I'm assuming he went to work for Rupert Murdoch, believing that Rupert Murdoch, the powerful Rupert Murdoch, that gets away with so many things, so many illegalities, so many crimes. The fact that Rupert Murdoch got away with what happened with the News of the World, as the owner of the News of the World, accused of hacking so many people, violating people's privacy. The fact that Rupert Murdoch got away with that and just pay people money to throw the case. It tells you why Piers Morgan went back to work with Rupert Murdoch, because he believes he'll be protected by Rupert Murdoch because of how powerful the guy is, my family. But there's one thing he does fear. And no wonder he has lashed out so badly towards Harry and Meghan. He fears Prince Harry. He fears Prince Harry so much. No one would throw this much tantrum about someone going to court if someone was not scared or is not scared. I mean, it's like, they're like, how dare you sue Daily Mail, Harry? How dare you? I mean, the royal family, it's okay for the royal family to leak stories about Harry and Meghan. It's okay in the minds of the carnival or so-called experts, in the minds of people who are obsessed with Meghan like Piers Morgan. It's okay for the royal family to leak stories about Harry and Meghan to the press, to get them hounded, bullied, abused. And the royal family does not lift a finger to stop the abuse. As a matter of fact, you have Camilla Parker Bowles, the Queen Consort of England, who will be officially coronated in May, having parties and inviting Piers Morgan to those parties. People who abuse Meghan Markle and Prince Harry. To Piers Morgan, it's okay when they, Camilla, leak stories to him about Harry and Meghan to get them abused and bullied. But it is not okay for Harry and Meghan to respond and give an account of the actual truth of exactly what happened in Harry's memoir. That's not okay. Oh, Harry, you're crossing a line. How dare you, Harry? You are breaking, you are breaching the privacy of other members of the royal family. Because Harry dared to talk. Because Harry dared not to use palace sources to give his side of the story. Because Harry is a real man who, if he has anything to say, he says so himself. If he wants to take on tabloid, he goes to court legally, using legal means to get justice. Now that is a real man, a real human being with morals, ethics. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, Meghan's husband, my family. And I'm happy that Harry is taking this bad individuals, this bad media outlet to court. Harry, go get them. Harry, go get them. Prince Harry, go get them. We stand with you and by you. We stand with you and by you. We stand with you and by your side, Harry. We are with you. The world at large is with you. And we support you in this court case against this bigoted, evil tabloid Daily Mail. And my family, also, on top of that, there is something else that happened in court. My family. But first of all, just remember just one thing. We are being told by the carnival of so-called experts that Harry is irrelevant. That's what we have been told. But yet, it is being reported that at Court 76 at the High Court in London, after Harry's arrival, it is packed with journalists as Prince Harry sits near the back with his lawyers. Imagine calling someone irrelevant, and then when he has a court case against the Daily Mail, you know exactly just where Harry is sitting. Imagine calling that person irrelevant. You even know where that irrelevant person is sitting. The utter level of hypocrisy and the obsession that the Daily Mail has with Prince Harry is there for everyone with basic common sense to see. And everyone can see this, my family. Everybody. You know? And even someone who's there called Rebecca Barry said that, so Court 76 is packed with journalists as Prince Harry sits near the back with his lawyers. Usually, at a preliminary hearing like this, it just be a few court reporters taking shorthand as lawyers argue in legal terms. But the presence of the Duke of Sussex suddenly adds some drama. That person said, I'll say exposure for that court case. The work of the media, tabloids, is to create that drama. That's what they do. As you all know, the tabloids don't report the news. They create the news. And my family, I stand with Prince Harry. The racist, bigoted British media must go down. They must go down. They must face accountability for their evil actions, for the pain they have caused to members of the public in the UK. And that's why this case is not just about Prince Harry. It's about everyone who has been harmed by the actions of the Daily Mail, by the illegal behavior of the Daily Mail. My family. And someone called Anna said that it is brilliant that Harry is there. They wanted reporting restrictions put on the case. His appearance is making this case global news. Always one step ahead is our Harry. Someone called Anna said that. And my family, someone else said that this would be a landmark case if it moves forward to trial. It is the first time that ANL, Associated Newspaper Limited, has been accused of the unlawful activity that has haunted the British tabloids in the wake of the Ford hacking scandal. No wonder Daily Mail wants privacy. My family. Daily Mail is like in court right now. Like, we want privacy. We want privacy. Give us privacy. Give us reporting restrictions in court. That's how Daily Mail is like in court right now, my family. I love that Harry is taking this to account. I love what, Harry is doing. Now, my family, someone said that, oh, the irony. Imagine the Daily Mail fighting for privacy in order to keep their illegal information gathering activities hidden. May the Daily Mail, Mail on Sunday, and Mail Online come tumbling down. We can only hope. We can only seriously hope that this is what happens, that they go down 100%. Now, my family, and this is just remarkable what Harry is doing. And I call it a disgrace, really, that Charles right now is already leaking to the press, tabloids, really, that apparently he has no time to see Prince Harry because he is busy. That's what Charles is saying. It's disgusting, really. This guy is just a failed father, failed human being, a failed husband, a failure at everything. And make no mistake, he'll also fail as king. Don't even doubt that for just even but a second. Don't even doubt that for but a second. My family. Charles is just a disappointment. Your son arrives in the UK, and the first thing you do is to leak to the media. I won't be seeing my son because I'm busy. Shameful. Shameful, shameful, and shameful. My family. Now, my family, someone else said that Prince Harry looks like he is definitely gonna do everything he can to take down the Daily Mail for violating the law and hacking into people's phones. This case has bigger consequences than just Harry. So for everyone's sake, I hope they all win and make Rothmere pay. Me too, my family, me too. We can only hope. And let us send positive vibes to Prince Harry and the best wishes on this court case. A very, very big court case, my family. You can say the biggest court case ever, really. After those, what happened to the news of the world, really. The biggest court case. Once again, we have a tabloid in the UK accused of phone hacking and a number of illegal activities. My family. It's high time that people in the UK sit down and demand better and say they want something better and say they want something different from the media. It's high time. My family, it's high time. And we hope that that day comes. We hope. My family, we hope. And my family, Harry, you are doing the right thing. Your mother will be so proud of you. We are so proud of you, Prince Harry. And I know Meghan is also so very proud of you. You, Harry, are a real man. And they fear you. I can see the media truly fears you. My family, they fear Harry. They fear Harry 100%. They fear him. My family. And the media have wanted Harry in court and Meghan for a long time. Well, guess what? Now they have their wishes. They have their wishes. But the thing is, Daily Mail is not reporting on Harry being in court today. Daily Mail is not reporting. It has gone radio silent for the first time ever. Daily Mail has shut up. about Harry. For the first time, they have not wrote articles about Harry being in the UK. Maybe they'll do that later, but as of now, they have not done that. Other tabloids are, covering this. My family, other media outlets are covering this. My family. But Daily Mail, in particular, is very, very quiet. My family, very, very quiet. Actually, I even see the Mirror being quiet also. My family, I even see the Mirror being quiet. I only see on the Twitter account that they are posting about this, but when it comes to articles, they are very, very, very quiet, very, very quiet. That's what they are doing right now, my family. Now, tell me what you think about this kindly. I'd like to hear you on this, please. With that and so much more, stay tuned on next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and support our evergreen family on YouTube. God bless Harry, Meghan, Archie, Libetana, and Dorea Ragland, and all of you members of the squad at home. With that and so much more, stay tuned on this video. Love you all and forever. God bless Harry, Meghan, Archie, Libetana, and Dorea Ragland, and all of you members of the squad at home. BBC News has covered this. CNN covering this. Reuters covering this. Telegraph covers this. Yahoo News. Oh, now I see the Mirror has covered it also. The Guardian has covered it. Sky News has covered it. My family. So, my family, when Harry is there, make no mistake, people are interested in everything, my family. And I'm sure Daily Mail will cover this also. But my family, they have been very quiet. Not like how they are normally when it comes to any news about Prince Harry. My family, stay tuned to our next video. Love you always and forever. Hello, members of Zesco Family TV. First of all, I want to say thank you for all your support that you give us to our channel. We don't take it for granted that you support this channel. I want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for lending out your support and fighting against injustices, supporting Prince Harry and Meghan, showing them love. Love will always triumph over evil, and for that I say thank you. Good will always prevail over bad. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for joining this community, this amazing community of Zesco Family TV. I love you so much, family, from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the best. May you have a great, great day, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. With that and so much more, stay tuned to our next video. Leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. Love you, family, always and forever. Sayonara.